beautiful and metallic colored leather jumpsuit, catsuits and rompers. Outfit ideas of this season. As you can see, in today's video, I am going to share with you very beautiful, stunning and eye-catching, and high-class jumpsuits and catsuit designs, outfit ideas, and images. So don't miss any of these. Remember, when wearing leather jumpsuit and catsuits, it's crucial to pay attention to the fit and overall styling. Consider your body shape, a personal style, and the occasion to create an outfit that highlights your best features and makes you feel confident and beautiful. A comfortable and most stylish, stretchable fox leather jumpsuit, catsuits and rompers. Outfit ideas for beautiful, for girls and women. Different ways to style and trendy. Leather and latex, shiny jumpsuit, catsuits and leather looks. Classic chic outfits, luxurious and glamorous fox leather, catsuits and rompers. Pretty and fabulous, different styles rompers. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Satra Products yet, then do it quickly. Press the bell icon to get notifications of all my videos. Reach on time, hit the like button. If you enjoyed this beautiful video of every type of dress and outfits collection, you can watch at my YouTube channel, in my videos, official dresses, casual wear dress, and many more. Keep supporting, keep promoting my channel, and keep sharing my videos with your friends. This is your love guys, and must visit my channel friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till the end, we will meet soon in another video. Till then, bye. Take care, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos, keep smiling, bye.